Hello, it's Brett. Today we're going to be painting a stormy scene. Whoa, that was kind of scary. It's a good thing storms always pass. Now we can enjoy the sunshine again. To get inspired, let's look at 3 stormy landscapes in the Art Museum.
In this painting, Storm in the Wilderness by Thomas Kohl, you can see the darkened sky, blowing tree branches, and falling rain giving way to sunshine in the distance as the storm passes. Kohl reminds us that nature can be both dramatic and calm. Anna Louisa Miller's October Storm of 1949 shows a historic storm where heavy winds toppled trees and buildings, but there's still some brightness, with the sun shining through the storm clouds. This painting, by Franklin Boggs, In the State of a Storm, shows a storm cloud from above. Rain is falling from it onto colorful squares and rectangles. It reminds me of seeing farm fields from an airplane window. Notice where the cloud casts a shadow over the ground, and how it changes the color of the squares.
Let's try making a bright, sunny scene next to a dark, stormy scene.
You'll need paper or board, pencil, tempera paint, brushes, and water. Start by imagining and sketching a landscape. Make the left side fair weather, the right side stormy. The trees on the left side will be standing up straight. The trees on the right will be bent, as if they are being pushed over by the strong winds of a storm. The sun will be in the sky on the left, while thick clouds, rain, and lightning fill the sky on the right. In the distance on the left, you will be able to see hills through the clear sky. On the right, the hills will be hidden behind heavy rain and fog. Let's look at how colors can change in different weather.
When the sun is shining very bright in the sky, colors may appear lighter. To make a color lighter, we'll add white. This is called a tint of the color.
We use pure colors and tints to paint the sunny side of our landscape. The brown of the tree trunk, the green of its leaves, and the blue of the sky will all be mixed with white. The white paint will change very quickly when pure color is added, so only add small amounts of your pure color to the white when you're mixing your tints. I will use many different tints of green. The furthest green in the distance will be the lightest. The farther away objects are in a landscape, the lighter they look.
The stormy side of our landscape is much darker, so we'll mix black paint into our colors. Mixing black with the color makes a shade of that color.
Black is a very strong color. Mix it in slowly, a little bit at a time. The new color is called a shade. We will need shades of blue for the sky, green for the grass and leaves, and brown for the trunk of the trees, and gray for the clouds in the sky. The only thing I will not paint with this shade is the lightning. I will use pure yellow to show how bright the lightning is.
Here's my finished landscape painting. The clear side is sunny. I can feel the warm rays hitting my face and the cool breeze blowing through my hair. The stormy side, though, is exciting. I can hear the thunder in the distance. I can see the flashes of lightning, the wind rushing through the trees, and the sound of the rain hitting the ground. I can't wait to get outside after the storm passes, to splash in all the puddles.